Welcome back guys. In today's video, I'll show you the step-by-step how to use Simply Codes to instantly find and apply promo codes online. Now, let's start. Go to your web browser's extension, then tap Get Extension for Microsoft Edge. Now in here, search for Simply Codes, and we need to install Simply Codes into our web browser's extension. Tap Get button, then Add Extension. After that, you need to create an account. Just tap sign up and then type your email, or you can use your Google account directly. Since I have my account already, so I just need to sign in my account. Now, once you're all set up, you need to pin Simply Codes into your extension. Tap Extension, then pin the Simply Codes. Now, in Simply Codes, you can check the available store where promo codes would work. Just tap Store and select a category you want. Then in here, you can see different stores and brands. Now, for example, I'll be using sallybeauty.com. The Simply Codes logo would automatically pop up into your screen. And then when you check out, like I have here in my bag, so when you check out, the Simply Codes would pop up here and gives you the code. Just copy the code and paste it in here. So as you can see here, the promo code is already applied. So when you check out, you'll receive 10% off of this item. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.